Okay, if your Home Depot valve does this, when you turn it on and water pours out the side of this top cap, apparently there's no good way to fix it other than to replace it. So we're going to replace this Home Depot valve with another Home Depot valve. Okay, so Henry's going to take the SharkBite demounting tool, put it up on there, and apply the pressure to the towards the SharkBite fitting, and should be able to release that SharkBite. There it is. Go ahead and pull that out, and then we'll get our measurement on it. Then we'll cut our copper tube to fit our new valve stem, and we'll put our SharkBite on and we'll be pretty much good to go. Okay, so we're going to make a mark on the pipe where we need to make the cut.
Which is about roughly with that. See that?
We got it. So then Henry's going to take the pipe cutter and we'll cut our tube, our copper tubing, and
that should be it.
Okay, so now we're going to go back under the house again and hook all this together, and hopefully we'll be flush with the brick when we mount the faucet. Both ends of our connection are now have SharkBite on them. Henry's going to push the valve out just a little bit, enough to get the pipe in, and get it hooked on both sides, and then we should be good to go. Looks like it's in.
That's because I'm gonna get it.
Okay, and we've got the other side in, so let's go outside, see how it fits up to the brick. Okay, there it is. There's the faucet. Fits flush. Okay, so we turned the water back on. So we'll give this here a test and see if our faucet, well, there it is.